Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. I thought that I would try to read to you a story today that I found on Mayan, which is a website on our school website, Hunter's Woods, that you can pick. All I did was search the word rain because I thought today's weather's kind of rainy, thanks to Samantha, who also helped us figure out the weather today with her weather chart. And I thought that that would be a fun story to read about. So I went through the stories under rain and found this one, and I thought the little bluebirds were cute. So I thought I'd give it a try. So it's called Raindrops Fall All Around. In the country, in the town, rain is falling all around. So we've got some rabbits and duckies. Okay. Raindrops drip on leaves and flowers. Cars splash through the April showers. Sorry, I'm trying my best to show you all the pictures. Raindrops keep a steady beat. Rain forms puddles in the street. It's always fun to get rain boots on and go jump in the puddles. Rain turns hillsides fresh and green. Raindrops wash the sidewalks clean. A flowing creek fills up with rain. Rain seeps down into the drain. I spied a rhyming set here. Rain, drain. Wonder if you can spy any rhymes on the next page. Rushing water makes a path. Bluebirds take a little bath. Did you catch it? Path. You see the little rain path? And bath. Ducklings swim around the lake. Raindrops make the puppies shake. What was the rhyming words this time? We've got lake as your hint on this side. Shake. The puppies are shaking all those raindrops off their fur. Lightning flashes in the sky. Thunder rumbles way up high. Your clue here is sky and high. Sky rhymes with high. Time to say goodnight to rain. Raindrops tap dance on the pane. So they're saying goodnight to the rain, and it rhymes with pane. Pane is another word for a window. Sometimes people call it a window pane. Rain clouds slowly pass on by. A rainbow spreads across the sky. By, sky. They rhyme. That was the end of the story. So it actually was a rhyming book. It had a lot of little rhyming partners in there. But it also talked a little bit about fun things that happen with rain. I also came across a very, very cool experiment, but you're going to have to stay tuned. But I think it's one you'll enjoy. All right, guys, I love you, and I miss you very, very much. Okay, bye-bye.